Hello everyone, just touching base with you yet again, BMW of Corpus Christi, going through the new innovation of the new iDrive system. Chris is going to show you some really nice features and functions as far as the voice communication. The one thing I will say is pay attention to the volume of his voice. Generally, whenever you are trying to say something on voice commands on the vehicle, you find yourself yelling. This is not the case with this new system, so I just wanted to point that out, but take it away, Chris.
Hello, BMW. I'm cold.
What temperature should I set?
80 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hello, BMW. Turn on my seat heater.
I'm setting the seat heating on the driver's seat at level 3.
Bob, I'd really like some tacos.
That sounds pretty good.
Hello, BMW. I'd like some tacos.
Which one of these destinations should I select?
Taqueria Jalisco Sports.
Okay, I've selected Taqueria Jalisco Sports.
Let's get these tacos.
Let's do it.